Hey guys, today I'm going to show you why you should still jailbreak an iPhone in 2020. Please check the description below for tweak names, their prices and repos to download them from. Ready? Let's begin with the lock screen. As you can see, I'm using two tweaks on the lock screen. One is jellyfish for this cool looking time and the second is complications for Apple Watch style widgets. Jellyfish gives you tons of options to configure from the settings preferences. You can change things like font thickness, alignment, show weather, change color and much more. Complications on the other hand adds Apple Watch style complications widget to the lock screen. You can add multiple complications here and set them to pretty much anything you like, even shortcuts to open apps. These complications are even interactive. For example, tapping on battery complication toggles low power mode to on or off, and so on. Next tweak I'm going to show you is called Photon. This tweak basically lets you add always on display to your iPhone. It works with both OLED and LCD based iPhones with tons of configuration options. In my testing, it doesn't drain too much battery and the trade-off is certainly worth it. There are tons of styles to choose from, and it comes on automatically as soon as screen timeout kicks in. You can configure to dismiss it by double tap to go back to regular lock screen. Another cool cosmetic tweak I'm going to talk about here is called Edge, which basically adds this outline colorful border across the screen. It has various different options to configure from and it just gives your iPhone that cool look. That's why I have it here on my iPhone. Now let's talk about some of the stuff I have here on the home screen, starting from theming engine powered by Snowboard. Think of Snowboard as winter boat from yesteryears. It basically lets you install themes, including icons. The icon pack you see here is called Bubblegum Glyphs. Next week we are going to talk about is Zen HTML and Zen Info, both of which work hand in hand to power widgets on the home and lock screen. The two widgets you see here are configured using Zen HTML. The one on the top is called Ming, while the one on bottom is called LS Mune Neon Edition. You can configure to put them anywhere on the home or lock screen. Cylinder is another home screen tweak which enables animation effects when scrolling between pages. There are tons and tons of animation effects to choose from. My personal favorite is Vertex, but you can choose any you like. You can also set the tweak to automatically pick a random effect for you if you like. Next tweak we have is Velox Reloaded. Now this is something Apple is rumored to add to iOS 14. What Velox Reloaded basically does is to allow you to add iOS Today View widgets right on the home screen. Simply tap any app with a Today View widget and then choose from any 3 different sizes you want to add. It works very well and this is a must-have for jailbroken devices. Next up we have is Install Launcher 2, which basically adds quick scroll view app picker system-wide on iPhone. The settings for this tweak allows you to configure a tons of things, including the ability to pick various styles as well as launch trigger location and much more. Scorpion allows you to have a mini version of the annoying Apple incoming call screen. This enables you to continue using your iPhone while an incoming call is coming through without having to cancel it. This tweak too have various different styles to choose from, which you can all configure it from settings preferences of the tweak. Next we have is a very powerful home screen tweak called Home Plus Pro. This one allows you to resize app icons on the home screen in real time. It also allows you to change the layout, number of rows and columns, ability to hide app labels, ability to hide swipe to home bar on iPhone 10 and later devices, and much more. FloatyDock is another must-have tweak. It basically adds iPadOS dock and iPadOS multitasking features to iPhone. You can add apps in slide view as well as split view. Want to watch YouTube while browsing the web? You can do that now on iPhone just like how it is on iPad. FloatyDock 2 has tons of configurations to choose from, which you can do so from its settings preferences. Last but not the least, we have a cool looking Zen HTML widget called Charmix, which adds very nice charging animation to lock screen when the iPhone is being charged wirelessly or wired. It looks very cool. You need to see it in person to appreciate it. Best of all, it works with always on display tweak mentioned earlier. We will wrap this up by honorable mentions, which includes tweaks like Auto Unlock X, which takes you straight to home screen when Face ID authenticates. Tweak Restrictor lets you bypass jailbreak detection in apps which doesn't run on jailbroken iPhones. Quit All adds a single clear all button to multitasking switcher to kill all apps at once. This is it for now. As mentioned earlier, all tweak names, their prices and repos are mentioned in description below, so please check the details there. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications about future videos from this channel. See you in the next video.